Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Pilot alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents any accidental electrical shocks. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a specialized serpentine belt tool. Always ensure the engine is completely cool before you begin, as hot engine components can cause severe burns. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's gain access to the alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the belt, then carefully remove it from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power cable and the smaller electrical connector from the alternator itself. You might need a 10mm or 12mm wrench for these. Finally, unbolt any brackets or components that are obstructing the alternator's path, ensuring a clear removal route. With access clear, it's time for removal and installation. Locate and remove the two main mounting bolts that secure the old alternator. These are typically 14mm or 17mm bolts. Once unbolted, carefully maneuver and extract the old alternator from its position in the engine bay. Now, take your new alternator, position it correctly, and align it with the mounting points. Insert the two main mounting bolts, but do not fully tighten them yet. For the final steps, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect all electrical connections to the new alternator, ensuring they are snug. Then, reinstall the serpentine belt onto all pulleys, making sure it's properly seated. Securely reattach the negative battery terminal to the battery. Finally, start your engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. Use a voltmeter to confirm the charging system is producing around 13.5 to 14.5 volts, indicating proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.